Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be creating arrays in JavaScript. Watch this video till the end. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value of same data type. Syntax to create an array. Const array underscore name equals item1 item2. Const array underscore name equals new array item1 item2 item3. It is a good and common practice to declare arrays with the const keyword, but you may also use let keyword as well. Have a look on the way for indexing the arrays in JavaScript. Following are the ways by which we index elements within an array. For using array in JavaScript, there are various other methods of an array which are important while using an array. Every method is explained properly using comments. You can go through each of these methods. You can access this source code by the link in the description. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.